everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial I'm going to talk about putting furniture blocks into this cabin drawing. And we're going to put furniture blocks in using the Design Center. Okay, so let's get started and get right into the Design Center. Alright, so the Design Center is located up here on the ribbon. If you go to the Insert tab and you come over to the right, there is a panel called Content, and there's a large icon here called Design Center. And if you click on that, it's going to open up a large dialog box. Mine is already docked on the left hand side of the drawing. If yours is not docked, you can grab it by this gray bar. If I try to undock it here, you can just grab it by this gray bar and come over and dock it. Okay. One of the things also you might want to notice about Design Center is that I have a tree view here on the left hand side. Now if you don't see that, it could look something like this. At the top here there are a bunch of different icons, and there's one that looks like a file tree, and you just want to click on that and it will show you the tree view. Okay, now you may already be in the Design Center folder, which is this folder right here, and if you are, that's great. If you're not, I'm going to show you how I navigate to my Design Center. So if we start up here at the hard drive with the letter C, that would be your hard drive, I'm going to click on the plus sign next to Program Files, so that opens up the Programs file folder. Then I'm going to click on the plus sign for Autodesk, then AutoCAD 2012, then I'm going to come down to Sample, and I'm going to come down to Design Center. And inside of the Design Center folder there are a bunch of drawings that AutoCAD has put here, and each one of these drawings has a fair amount of blocks that go with that category. Alright, so we're going to go down to Home Space Planner. We'll pick on the plus sign for that, and we're going to pick on blocks. And we're going to look at the blocks that are in the Home Space Planner drawing. Okay, so what's in here is there's some interesting furniture and household blocks that I want to put into my drawing. Okay, so actually before I put the blocks, I'm going to go back to the Home tab and I'm going to check my layer. And my layer that I've created called Furniture is current, so that's good. So my furniture blocks will land on the furniture layer. Okay, so the first block I'm going to put in is the queen size bed. And so all you have to do that is pick the icon for queen size bed and then drag with the left mouse and place it where you want it. Okay. Another block I'm going to want to add is the sofa. So I'm going to pick it and I'm going to drag, bring that right there. And I'm going to bring the love seat sofa in. Bring that one right there. And this small table that I'm going to use as a coffee table. So I'm going to bring that right there. Alright, so now that I'm done with the Design Center, I'm going to close the Design Center by just hovering up here in the gray bar and pick on the X. Okay. Alright, so the furniture blocks are all a single entity. So if you grip a block, you will notice that it only has one grip, and that's because the whole thing is one entity. It's the lines and everything are blocked together. So if you want to move this table, for instance, a really easy way to do that is with grips. So I'm just going to pick on the grip again to make it hot, and when I do that, notice I have the freedom to move this table wherever I want. Also notice that my status bar, I do not have anything constraining my cursor like ortho or O-snap. So this gives me lots of freedom to place this table wherever I want to place it. So I'm just picking it, making the grip hot, and picking to place it. Okay. Okay, some of the blocks, I'm going to hit escape there, need to be rotated. For instance, this sofa down here. So I'm going to grip this sofa, and again I'm going to make the grip hot, and then after I do that I'm going to right click, and you have a few different options here, and the option I'm going to pick is rotate. Alright, so now I want to rotate this 180 degrees, so I'm going to actually just type in 180 on the command line, and there it's rotated that sofa 180 degrees. Okay, and I can just kind of place it right about there. I'm going to escape to get rid of the grips. And now I'm going to rotate this love seat, and I want to rotate it kitty corner. So I'm going to grip it, make the grip hot, right click, pick rotate, and now I could type in a degree, or I'm going to just kind of do it by eye with my cursor. So I'm going to kind of rotate it right about there, and then again I'm going to make the grip hot and place it over here in the corner. Okay, so I'm going to escape to get rid of the grips on that. I'm going to just move the coffee table over a little bit in between, and there I have a nice seating area in the cabin. Okay, same with the queen size bed. If you want, you can push this more over into the corner to make more room in the bedroom. All right, so there you have it. What we did is we opened the Design Center by going to the Insert tab and clicking on Design Center. And we were able to navigate to Home Space Planner Drawing, and then we took a look at the blocks in the drawing. And then we were able to select a block and drag it in. And then we used grips to rotate or move them. All right, so I hope that helps, and I hope you're able to give that a try as kind of a first introduction to getting some blocks into your drawing. Take care until the next tutorial. Keep practicing with AutoCAD.